history here, the art here. For me, at least, it's about building connection and understanding who is our community and why are we doing this. The influential world can be a lot and it can be lonely sometimes. They're all people I very much admire. I pick some people that I'm a big fan of. And so thank you so much for being here. I know it's a really long flight and the jet lag is insane. Okay. Have been extraordinary, an immense amount of patience to go through the multiple iterations very thoughtfully what's going to really work. There's been a lot of pushback on some of the ingredients, but so glad to see where we've landed. Seems like here in Korea, you guys truly believe that pdrn is doing something for the skin.
pdrn is good for regeneration, and remember 3 things: that for cleansing, for hydration, for sun protection.
I actually discovered K-beauty when I first came to Korea a few years ago, and that's when I really learned that hydration was the key, and it really did help my acne.
Foundation is actually layer to layer over and over instead of putting a lot of amount at once.
Small amounts when your rose because your skin color is great. So mix with cushion. So half.
Okay. Blend it nicely. Gently so you don't see the mark and stains on the skin. This is actually a key to create a harmonious look instead of putting just color on the cheeks. So if you have colors around your face, it looks more natural coming from your skin.
Got it. And now just like
This literally smells like what it says. Soap.
Soap. I don't know which lemon refresher is better.
Afterglow. I live for the name of this. I'm sure you know. Are you kidding me? Afterglow.
back.
Wow, this is good coordination.
Period.
Sparkle.
I know. I wasn't planning on, but then I did it.
It's an easy little hack. Just tap the finger. Do you have Ambit?
Yeah, I do.
Like I have Ambit.
I'm laughed up.
Yes. I've been doing makeup for 20 years in Vegas. So I did backstage for J-Lo, Guns N' Roses, and then TikTok came when the pandemic hit. I turned on the camera because my dad got COVID and passed. Worst tragedy, but it literally made my life my dream.